So, if you've not watched Ryan Gosling's film, The Project Hail Mary, that has been released, then I have actually a good news for you. Hi, hello, namaste. My name is RJ Manjula, and welcome to my YouTube channel, where the book that I have for you today is actually the book called Project Hail Mary by Andy Weir that has been adapted into this film. So, before you watch the film, I would highly recommend, I would really suggest that please read the book first, because this book will blow your mind. And the book has many incidents and many events that are not shown in the film, and it is not possible also. So please read the book before you watch the movie. और साइंस फिक्शन किताब है, और इस चैनल पर ना मैंने इससे पहले भी बहुत सारी साइंस फिक्शन बुक्स का रिव्यू किया हुआ है, जैसे एक्ट्स ऑफ गॉड बाय कनन गिल जो हमारे स्टैंड अप कॉमेडियन है. तो अगर आपने वो रिव्यू नहीं देखा है, प्लीज़ वॉच इट नाउ. द लिंक इज़ देयर इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स बिलो एंड ऑल्सो ऑन द आई बटन above. So, Project Hail Mary is actually written by Andy Weir, who before this wrote this best selling novel called The Martian, that was also adapted into a blockbuster film. सो कहानी ना एक साइंटिस्ट की है, डॉक्टर रेलिंड ग्रेस नाम है उनका, जिन्हें स्पेस में एक सुसाइड मिशन पर भेजा गया है. सुसाइड क्यों? क्योंकि नासा इसे खुद एक वन वे टिकट टू द यूनिवर्स बुलाता है, जिसमें बेसिकली एक ऐसी प्रजाति मिली है, मतलब जिन्हें कहा जाता है एस्ट्रोफेजेस, जो धीरे धीरे हमारा जो सन है ना, हमारा जो सूरज है, उसकी एनर्जी को खा रहा है. मतलब उसकी एनर्जी को, उसकी लाइट को धीरे धीरे डिम कर रहे हैं. एक ऐसी इन्फेक्शन है जिन्हें इन छोटे छोटे काइंड ऑफ, आप कह सकते हैं, एक डिफरेंट प्रजाति है जिसे एस्ट्रोफेजेस बुलाया जा रहा है. Now, this name astrophages was also given by our scientist Dr. Grace only, and these astrophages are infecting every star in the universe except one, that is called Tau Ceti. And so now this mission has been created, an impossible mission, where Dr. Grace, along with two other scientists, have been sent into this mission to Tau Ceti to find out the solution to this astrophage problem. That what is it that Tau Ceti has, that it is the only star that has not been infected by astrophages. So these scientists have to go there, find out the solution, come back to the earth and implement that solution and save the earth from these astrophages who are actually killing our source of life, the sun. इस इम्पॉसिबल मिशन पर डॉक्टर ग्रेस की मुलाकात एक एलियन से होती है, और ये एलियन जो है दूसरे प्लैनेट से आया है. सेम प्रॉब्लम है उनको भी, क्योंकि उनका प्लैनेट भी इन्फेक्टेड है एस्ट्रोफेजेस से. So Dr. Grace names him Rocky because this creature looks like an alien, looks like a rock, and it has 5 arms. And together they actually form a language to communicate with each other, because the Rocky, his planet, people from his planet cannot communicate, cannot see. So that's why they communicate through sounds. And so together, Dr. Grace and Rocky, they not only find a language so that they can communicate with each other, they also share their experiments with each other, knowledge with each other, and also create some kind of atmosphere around each other so that both can survive together. लेकिन क्योंकि ये मिशन बहुत ही इम्पॉसिबल है और बहुत ख़तरों से भरा हुआ है, तो एक के बाद एक मुसीबतें आती रहती हैं. फिर चाहे वो फ्यूल टैंक्स में जो फ्यूल होता है उसका इन्फेक्ट हो जाना, या फिर बहुत ग्रेविटी का चक्कर हो जाना, बहुत सारे फेल्ड साइंस एक्सपेरिमेंट्स हो जाते हैं इस मिशन पर. But together, Rocky and Dr. Grace are able to work together many solutions, and they're able to save each other lives many times, because they're together. Their aim is to save their planet so that their people can survive, and for that they're ready to risk their lives also. So अपने घरों से मीलों दूर एक दूसरे प्लैनेट पर दो अजनबी किस तरह से मिलते हैं, किस तरह से एक दूसरे को जानते हैं, समझते हैं, और एक दूसरे की लिए जान देने को तैयार रहते हैं, और अपनी प्लैनेट को बचाने के लिए भी अपनी जान देने को तैयार रहते हैं. Will Rocky and Dr. Grace be able to complete this mission? Will they be able to save their people, their earth, their planet? Will, most importantly actually, will they be able to live through this whole mission? Will they be able to see the result of this mission? For all these questions, you need to read the book, The Project Hail Mary by Andy Weir. So this is one of the best sci-fi thriller I've ever read. This the gripping storyline, the space-related action and adventure, the characters. All this makes the book a super exciting read. And also, I've read a lot of sci-fi books. मैं बहुत science fiction किताबें पढ़ती हूँ और कहीं ना कहीं चाहे वो जितनी भी एक्साइटिंग किताब क्यों ना हो, बीच में फिजिक्स से रिलेटेड कुछ ऐसी टर्म्स आ जाती हैं जो आपको इतनी समझ में नहीं आती एंड समटाइम्स द होल कॉन्सेप्ट इज एक्सप्लेन्ड इन सच अ बोरिंग वे, जैसे होता है क्लासरूम के लेक्चर्स में, तो कभी कभी कहीं कहीं जगह वो चीज़ एक्साइटिंग नहीं होती, बोरिंग बना देती है किताब को, बट नॉट इन दिस वन. Super complicated physics terms have been explained in such a beautiful way that you just feel that you're in a story and you are actually living that story. And the author of this book, Andy Weir, you have to watch his interviews. उनका जो sense of humor है ना, वो कमाल का है और शायद इसीलिए वो इस book में भी आया है. In fact, I love how the main lead of this book, Dr. Grace, names people or things around him. Like he names the alien Rocky because it looks like a rock. Or there is a something that he finds on Tau Ceti that looks like an amoeba. So he names it Tomiba because it was found in Tau Ceti and it looks like an amoeba. So that's why he calls it Tomiba. So I'm going to read my favorite part from this book, which is actually when Dr. Grace is trying to communicate to Rocky, the alien. And there's something that he thinks, and it's really beautiful. It's deep, it's funny, but it actually makes you think. I'm not rested at all. Every pore of my being yells at me to go back to sleep. But I told Rocky I would be back in 2 hours and I wouldn't want him to think humans are untrustworthy. I mean, we are pretty untrustworthy, but I don't want him to know that. So if you're a fan of science fiction books, you love reading sci-fi, fantasy and sci-fi novels, then this is the best book for you. Please do not miss it. In fact, I would love to see this book a part of your bookshelf, and I hope you found this review useful and you will read the book before you watch the movie The Project Hail Mary by Andy Weir. And if you like this review, then please share it with all your book lover friends, and I'll see you soon in my next video. तब तक के लिए पढ़ते रहिए और हंसते रहिए.